3, 2, 1. You want to start?
Well,
okay.
Claire loves this brand.
We were just talking about this. This is the ciele skin tint. You haven't tried it yet?
I haven't. I have it, but I don't know what shade I am.
Brittany has a bit of a tan because we just got back from Hawaii.
Mostly my freckles are what came out.
Okay, that might be too light for you.
This might be too light.
Okay, so maybe 2 and 3 are your shades.
Maybe.
4 is my shade. I'm actually wearing it right now, ironically. Cute, right?
I literally don't even see it.
It disappears into my skin.
How does it feel on the skin?
I feel like I'm wearing nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, Brittany, I wanted to test our best friend intuition. And I think we should both pick a product on the table that we really want to try. And hopefully we grab the same item.
Same one?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I know what you're going to pick.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God. Literally, you were like, I'm looking for some new gloss brands. Look at the size of this.
And I love that shade. That is my all-time favorite shade of lip gloss.
This is pretty. I'm gonna, honestly, I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this on.
No, I wanna put it on too.
You can put it on after.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's buttery.
Ooh, cute.
That's buttery.
Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous.
It tastes like vanilla.
It does feel really good.
This ISAMAYA brand, it's a color correcting serum.
So then you squeeze?
Yeah, you just do a little squeeze. It's so lightweight.
Yeah.
It's almost watery, so like your skin just soaks it up.
I've always wanted to try these LYS bronzing sticks. Like, they look the creamiest. Let's see. Oh, she's creamy.
Buttery.
Oh my
gosh.
Do you see this? Are you seeing this?
So crazy.
Wait, I want to like scribble all over my body.
All right, what's next? Let's see. Anything that says guava. Guava's been my food obsession. It's been my fruit obsession for the last couple weeks.
This one is called Sweet Packaging.
Wow. This is very pink. I don't know if it'll be my shade. That is a good color.
Let's see. That's cute.
That's perfect.
That's really cute.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
That is so fun.
I'm gonna close my eyes and pick one.
Yeah,
Iris&Romeo Weekend Skin SPF 50. I wish we had all of this stuff before we went on vacation. And it contains vitamin C, so it's brightening. I love the texture of this.
Ooh, it's nice.
Yeah.
I'm seeing a BISOU balm. Feel-good formula that leaves lips with a warm flush of color.
Okay.
This is giving luxury. Like, put this on your shelf.
I love that.
It's giving sheer. It's giving lip balm.
That's a cute color though.
Any color.
I like that. Okay, these are some powders, which I think
heavy.
We might both need. It's a powder, but it's like this very interesting balm.
It is creamy. This is giving me like 60s vibes.
Boop, 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 boop.
And this top one has a shimmer to it.
Okay, dewy.
Dewy, glowy, we're ready. I think we've gone through all of the products already. That was so much fun.
We should do this more often.
We should.
Okay.
We need to do hauls. We should do like
Deal.
FaceTime hauls.
I would love to.
I love
okay,
that.
perfect. Bye.